everything connected to the PLC is functional and it is running properly, we should have solid green for run IO, OK, and NS for network status, and blinking green for either link 1 or link 2 for an active communication with external devices such as an HMI. When the PLC is running or fully functional, we have digital output channel 0, 1, and 2 are on. If the I/O module is bad, damaged, or malfunction, it will fault the PLC. Run indicator is off. I/O indicator is blinking green. OK indicator is blinking red. When the PLC is faulted, it kills all the output signals for safety purposes to protect the equipment it is controlling. Everything on the digital output module is off now. To replace the I/O module, first we will need to power down the PLC. Then unlatch it. Push this down and pull to the right. And slide it up. Then slide the new one in. Push this down and push it to the left to lock it up. Now let's power it up again. The PLC is still faulted. Please note, all output channels remain off. To clear the fault and set the PLC back to run, first let's open this little door. For the first scenario, the switch is currently at the middle position for remote mode. We need to push it all the way up to run, and then all the way down to program, and then all the way up to run again. And then all the way down to program again. The fault has now been cleared. However, it is not on run mode. Now we need to push the switch all the way up to run one more time. The PLC now is on run mode and it is running again. Finally, let's set the switch back to the middle position for remote. The PLC now is on remote run mode All PUC status indicators have been restored. Solid green for run, IO, OK, and NS. Blinking green for link 1. All output channels also have been restored. Digital output channel 0, 1, and 2 are back on. For the second scenario, the PUC is faulted and the switch is currently at the upper position for run. We need to push it all the way down to program first. Then all the way up to run. And then all the way down to program again. The fault has now been clear. Now we can set the switch all the way up back to the run position. The PUC now is on run mode and it is running again. All PUC status indicators have been restored. Solid green for run, IO, OK, and NS. Blinking green for link 1. All output channels also have been restored. Digital output channel 0, 1, and 2 are back on. That will be it for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful and you like the content of my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. A separate thanks at the lower right corner is also a great way to show your support to my channel. Thank you.